Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Swipe Navigation. Swipe Navigation offers a modern and intuitive way to interact with your device, moving beyond traditional button-based controls. It frees up valuable screen space, giving you a more immersive viewing experience. You'll find that navigating becomes much smoother and more fluid, allowing for quick transitions between apps and screens with just a few simple gestures. Let's dive into the specifics of how these gestures work. Mastering a few basic gestures is key to efficient swipe navigation. To return to your home screen, simply swipe upwards from the very bottom edge of your display. If you need to access your recently used applications, swipe up from the bottom and hold your finger on the screen for about 1 second. For going back in an application or to the previous screen, a quick swipe inward from either the left or right edge of your display will do the trick. Beyond the basics, there are a couple of advanced gestures that can significantly enhance your navigation speed. To rapidly switch between your most recent applications, simply swipe horizontally across the bottom 1/3 of your screen. You can also fine-tune the gesture sensitivity within your device's settings, allowing for a more personalized and comfortable experience. Consistent practice will help you build muscle memory, making these gestures feel completely natural and effortless. The benefits of adopting swipe navigation are numerous. You'll immediately notice a larger, more immersive display, as physical navigation buttons are no longer needed. This leads to a much faster and more fluid experience when switching between applications and screens. Remember, you have the flexibility to customize various gesture settings, such as sensitivity and haptic feedback, ensuring your device responds exactly how you prefer. Embrace this modern way of interacting with your device.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.